Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Kriti and today we're going to be learning how to make PDFs. Like last time I told you I will make a video about it, and here we are making a video about it today. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so let's begin. Firstly, you can use any type of application through which you can type and make PDFs. You can use Notepad, WordPad, or MS Word. Once you have opened MS Word or anything, I'm using WordPad, I will come up to a screen like this. I suggest you use WordPad. So this video is all about WordPad, but most of it is just the same. So this is what the WordPad screen looks like. It has almost everything, but we're not going to use everything. It's only how we're going to learn to make a PDF. Then add your text. Then click on the file button. After that, click on print. And once you clicked on print, you should come up to a screen something like this. Then make sure you click on Microsoft Print to PDF. That way it will print it towards a PDF and not like a regular text file. Then click on print and you are done. Now you need to make a folder first because you will store the WordPad file and the PDF file. Now save the WordPad file and you are for reals done. Okay guys, that's it for today. I know it's a very short video, but that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye bye.